is a massive tour of the lifts at the Canary Wharf shopping complexes. There are so many lifts and all of the shopping centres are underground, but now to the first lift, which used to be an Otis Gen2, that has been modernised into an EuroLift. This goes from Westferry Circus down to an underground roundabout.
Here we go. Oh. It's an EuroLift.
And now into the shopping centre and to a generic lift in Zara.
Going up. Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
This is the lift in
Going
Zara,
up.
which is a generic.
Advanced lifts.
Floor 1. Doors opening. Going down. Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down. Floor 0. Doors open.
And now to a main set of lifts. These lifts are some really nice and fast generic lifts. But which one's that? -1. Okay, these are some more of the lifts. These are some really nice generic lifts. These are really fast as well. And that's it. And now to another main lift. This lift is an associated lift services lift. Here we go. Oh, got an electric shock. Is it working? Here we go.
Doors closing.
This is
Doors opening. Doors closing.
Okay.
Level 0, retail now. Doors opening. Doors closing.
This is the associated lift services lift in the Canary Wharf shopping centre. Quite a nice lift. And is it me or does it smell a bit
Level
like coffee?
-1, promenade retail now.
Cool.
Doors
And
open.
that's it.
Doors closing.
And now we continue into the shopping centre and underneath One Canada Square. The lift here is a ThyssenKrupp.
Parking level 1. Doors opening.
Going down.
Doors closing. Parking level 3. Doors opening. Doors closing.
These are the ThyssenKrupp lifts at the Canary Wharf shopping centre.
Retail mall level. Doors opening.
And now to some main sets of lifts near Waitrose. These lifts are some really nice and awesome Mitsubishi lifts. And now to some EuroLift lifts in Waitrose itself. However, these EuroLift lifts are in disguise, which means they're rubbish. Oh well. Okay, these are some EuroLift lifts in disguise in Waitrose in Canary Wharf. Now, there are some ThyssenKrupp lifts somewhere, however we couldn't find them. Here. EuroLifts in disguise again. I feel like they've got those bits there. I think this is in partner with John Lewis, however, it's Waitrose, so I don't know. What do you mean one? That indicator's stuck. They're both stuck. Well, that's useful. And now to some more really nice and awesome Mitsubishi lifts. These are some more Mitsubishi lifts. There's some more Mitsubishi lifts. We just got to street. These are some Mitsubishi lifts. You can tell they're lovely lifts. And that's it. And now to another main lift. This lift is also a ThyssenKrupp.
Down. Doors closing.
This is a ThyssenKrupp lift. I thought I hadn't found it and I had skipped some, but no. At least I found
Parking
it.
level 3. Doors opening. Lift going up. Doors closing. Retail wall level. Doors opening. Lift going up.
And now to a lift down to the underground station. This lift used to be an associated lift services lift. However, this lift has been modernised into an Otis Gen2. This is the Otis Gen2 lift. This used to be. What happened there? This goes to the Jubilee line and street level. That's way out. -1 shopping centre, -2 is the Jubilee line. This is an Otis Gen2, and that's it. And now to a really nice Schindler lift across the bridge. The lifts by the bridge are really fast and efficient. Don't know. And now to another really nice Schindler lift on the other side of the bridge.
Schindler.
Is it?
Schindler, really?
Oh, cool. Well, guys, this lift and the last lift was a Schindler. They are really cool lifts. And now to some more main sets of lifts near Churchill Place. These lifts are some associated lift services lifts. But wait a second, these lifts aren't working. Well, on the other side of the corridor, there are some more associated lift services lifts. When Benno comes here, it's only one set of lifts working. It's like every now and again, one will break down, and then once that one's got fixed, the other set will break down. Really weird. Anyway, let's ride these lifts.
Going down. Doors closing.
I think these are associated lift services lifts.
Level -2. Car parking. Doors opening. Lift going up. Doors closing. Level -1. Retail mall. Doors opening. Lift going up.
And now to some really nice Schindler lifts in the Barclays Tower. Wait, you actually went into the Barclays Tower? Yes, Dad said there were some lifts there. I thought, or he thought, I knew it's the Barclays Tower. Dad thought that these were the lifts up to the bridge. However, there are actually some really nice Schindler lifts in the Barclays Tower. And I didn't get caught either. Really good. These lifts are awesome, so let's ride them. Here's a Schindler lift.
Going up. Door closing. Ground floor. Door opening. Lift is going down. Door closing.
These are Schindler lifts at the Barclays Tower. I thought these were the lifts to the bridge, but
Floor -2. Door opening.
And now to another really nice Schindler lift at the other bridge. Here's the lift to the bridge. Press the wrong button. Here, is that working? I can hear something, I think. I think this is another Schindler. This is a Schindler lift.
You should make a list of all these ones. Schindler's List. Bit of dad joke.
Yeah, this is the Schindler lift back across the bridge. And that's it. And now to another really nice Schindler lift on the main part of the shopping centre. This is the lift across the other side of the bridge. I'm assuming it's another Schindler. I think it is. Yeah. These lifts are really efficient and nice. I originally thought these were Associated Lift Services lifts, but they're not, they're Schindlers. And this is an office building, so I'm not going to go in, but there's the lift. I think it's a Schindler, but it's an office block, so I can't go in. Tower block. There's a glass lift there. Another Schindler. And now to some more main set of lifts at CrossRail Place. These lifts are some really nice and efficient Schindler lifts. So what do you want to do?
0 street level, is that right?
Yeah.
Well, one's quayside.
That's where we are.
That's where we are.
These are the generic ones. I think these might be Schindler lifts actually. At the new Crossrail Place.
Level 0.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I think these are Schindler lifts.
Level -1.
And that's it. And now to some more really nice and efficient Schindler lifts at Crossrail Place. some more Schindler lifts. This time I'm going to go up to the roof garden.
Level 1. Level 0.
For some reason it stopped at ground.
Level -1.
And now to another really nice Schindler lift down to the Elizabeth line. I kind of messed up this clip here as the lift is really busy. Oh well, it's a Schindler. Now, will it work? Oh, what's this lift? Level -1. Dunno. I think it's a Schindler. Well then, that's that.
Pardon?
He did it.
I think he did also shut himself.
Level 0, ground floor, full building.
It's a Schindler lift. What is that noise? Dunno. These are Schindlers though, which is alright. Oh, finally. There's a Schindler there. Even got the Schindler indicator. And that's it.
Level -1, promenade and exit.
And now at this point I thought I'd finish the lift tour and I went down to Canary Wharf Pier. However, a boat didn't arrive towards London, so I came back to get on the Elizabeth line back to Paddington. However, I discovered near a road bridge in and around Canada Square a really nice Schindler lift. Let's ride it! Looking for this lift everywhere, and it's a Schindler.
Lift is going up. Door closing.
It's a Schindler. I've been looking for this everywhere, and I found it's a really nice lift.
Floor 0. Door opening. Lift is going down. Door closing.
It's a really nice Schindler lift. Just like the ones on the Elizabeth
Floor
line.
-1. Door opening.
Is it gonna go?
Door closing.